Cukuru-ini wa St. Lucy gicigo-ini kia Imenti ya mũhuro kaunti ya Meru. Arutwo mari kirathi magicaba na mwandiko uria uhuthiragwo ni aria matari na uhoti wa kuona kana na githungu braille. Kurehwo kwa laptop ici ni thirikari thiini wa cukuru ino kwerigirirwo kuhuthia mathomo maya na njira ya ati o murutwo no athikiriria mathomo matiganite na anyite agiteithiririo ni Murutani. No kuringana na Murutani munene cukuru-ini ino Sister Judith Kavengwesi, kiroto giki gitikinyanire amu mashini ici citiraruta mugambo wa gukinyiria arutwo ya kiria marenda guthoma.
There's no connection when the teacher opens her program and wants the children to start the lesson. There's no connection at all. The laptop for the teacher is the only one which is talking.
Iguru rioguo mashini ici ikerikana citiri cirekirwo mathomo maria marahuthika mutaratara-ini mweru wa githomo guku bururi-ini na uria urabatarwo ni arutwo taya niguo kumaiga gikiro kimwe na arutwo aria angi matari na wathe.
We don't have the CBC, we don't have. So if we are struggling, my teachers run always to the neighboring schools to get some books. We don't have teacher's guide that we can use.
We still want to learn about the keys of the keyboard.
Ona gukiri oguo cukuru uyu uria tukanite ciana cire na thina wa maitho na iria citari na uhoti wa kuona ona hanini ndiagitie computer muthemba ungi iria arutwo aya monagio kuhuthira kirathi-ini giki.
The software that we have, it's not helping us at all, and thus we cannot use the laptop to teach the children.
Gerifotera Inoro TV getwa Karo Kenyugo Mwaura.